Mr. Headings, I got your Van Buren file. Come on up. Did you read your rights form?
Yes, sir.
You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator license on person?
Sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on March 29, 22? At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charge. Tell me about you. You working?
Yes, sir. I work for a company called Prime Wheel. It's located right here in Westland.
What are they doing?
We move the wheels for pretty much the big three.
Okay.
Lenses for.
Okay. Okay. How long you been there?
I just started. Yeah, I had a little situation. I'm pretty sure you can see my.
Yeah.
I ended up going to jail, losing my last job.
Okay.
Got this, so I've been there for about a week now.
Is this full-time job? Good. Good. Okay. And what's the status of your license?
It's still suspended because I got so much money.
Okay. Do you owe anybody else or just us?
Well, nothing significant. There's stuff I'm paying off soon as I get.
But you're on payment plans?
Yeah, I'm payment plan.
Okay.
Then out in Washington County, I got another payment plan. So.
Okay. So us, Washtenaw, and when that's all cleared up, maybe you get your license back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, the only thing that's holding me up is paying you guys.
Okay.
Pay like my clearance fee and everything.
Good. Okay. All right. And I don't have that paperwork anymore. Do you know what your balance is with us?
It's a little bit over $3,000. Cause I did a couple, it was higher than that, but I did like 6 days.
Yeah, at one point you were over $4,000.
Yeah, I did like 6 days work program.
Okay.
Like I said, I lost my job half the time.
Can you tell me what he would have to pay us for us to clear it?
I think I want to say it was like $3,006.
I mean, I'm at.
Purchase for the clearance of, let me run this record because it'll.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out how to get you cleared here before you get everything closed out with us.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
We got your address on Edwards. Is that a good one? Okay. All right. Are you done with the young and dumb?
Yeah.
No, I'm being,
I
I mean, you don't owe a court $4,000 unless you were doing some really stupid stuff.
No, what was happening was I was like not taking it serious. You know what I mean? Like,
Young and dumb.
years ago,
Yeah, that's,
So still out drinking, smoking, all that. I can't do none of that.
okay. But you're done with that. All right. So my point is, I'll take a chance on you,
Okay.
right? I'm not gonna make you work off the $3,000 before we let you get your license back. Let's,
Yeah, I'm paying
All right.
now, but yeah.
all right. So while she's looking at that number, she's gonna run your record so we can figure that out. Let's talk about sentencing here. Anything else you want me to know?
Okay.
All right. What's a shift at this new job?
Person,
So days, what days?
I didn't probably sometimes Saturday we rotate, but with me being new, I won't be on a Saturday for about a month. But they show us the schedule out for Saturdays 2 months in advance.
Okay.
But that's why, because like I said, I lost my job from getting incarcerated out of Washington County. That's why I did the 6 days to knock off like close to $800.
Right. Right.
Yeah. I started working again, so I wasn't able to pick up any more days after I finished those 6.
Hey, I got a guy up here that you're already working with him. He started almost over $4,000. He's done 6 days with, he's got it down to 3-ish. Just got a new job. He's working Monday through Friday. Can't work any Saturdays for at least a month. And he,
No, I would be able to now because I won't start working Saturdays for a month.
that's what I'm saying. That, yeah, on the job, you won't be working.
Okay.
In your job, you won't be working Saturdays. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. What are we doing now? We're doing 2 Saturdays a month? Are we doing any Sundays yet? Okay. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm gonna bang him out with some more work days instead of adding to his dollar amount. Okay. 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 Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Thanks. Agreed?
That's fine.
You'd rather do work days?
That's fine.
Yeah. All right. So he just said we're doing every Saturday now.
Okay,
So and you can start this Saturday. He's got spots this week.
that's fine.
He has so many no proof of insurance
Oh.
like in all different areas. I mean, ours downstairs would be able to help him
Yeah.
with that because they can.
So here, just put in the computer that I said if he pays all his clearance fees, we'll work with him on the fines and costs. So I don't know, she don't want to take the time to add you up. That's how bad it is. So every one of those no proof insurance, you gotta pay $45 for a clearance fee. So before you get out of here, find out what that is, and then you'll know if it's $600, it's $600, and we'll let you get your license.
Okay.
All right?
But don't forget, he has them in clerk courts too.
Yeah. That's just us.
Yeah, no, I know.
You know you gotta deal with Washington.
This is the bulk of my ticket.
Yeah,
Like, literally the one,
Yeah.
like I said, I'm literally ready to get paid to go take care of those.
okay. All right, so 6 days on the work program, no fines and costs. Now, this 6 days is for this file. That don't get you any credit on the other money. All right. Any questions?
No.
Okay, so go down, see Avery, schedule this 6 days. Tell Avery that I made it okay for you to pay your clearance fees,
Okay,
and then he'll tell you who can tell you how much that is.
okay.
All right?
Don't call anybody else.
Okay, all right. You're all set.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Is that what that was? I can't read that name.
It's such an S.
Yeah, but can you read it? What's your name? Seta, come on up to the podium. Neither one of us can read your name on this paperwork, so it starts with an S. All right, good morning, sir. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, so let's see what we got. All right, I've got a ticket here from January 12, 2021, drove while license suspended, revoked or denied. Did you read your rights form? You understand all those rights? You understand the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? On that date, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus? And was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. It was DWS.
Right, but what's?
Added charge is no ops. Or allowing, I'm sorry. Is actually DWS second, down to no ops, or auto. All right. Are you working, sir?
Yes, I am.
Where do you work? Okay. I bet you keep pretty busy, don't you? Was it really?
Economy and the usual winter slowdown, it was tough.
Yeah. Well, good luck for the summer. What's the status of your license? Valid? Good, good, good. All right, so you got a Zoom pretrial coming up with Judge Patton on the 21st. You know about that one? And then you've currently got a payment plan. You got a payment coming up the end of this month, right? Okay, all right. Anything else you want to tell me before? Oh, and you got a bond on this file. Okay, anything else I should know before I sentence you today?
Just that, I was younger, making stupid decisions. Caught up in the not having license, still having to work.
Yeah.
Which was taking care of my stuff. Ended up having my kids, taking care of everything. I'm taking care of 6 different cities right now while on federal probation.
Okay,
You know what I mean? So it's just, it's all a lot.
yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, as far as the money, we'll work with you, right? What, I don't know what your payment plan is now, but today's today's total, just add it in. All right. What's your skill set?
I do kitchen, bathroom, basement, wall, floor, plumbing, electrical,
Just about anything.
pretty much everything on the inside.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Normally on this file with your late fee, you got a warrant fee, it'd be $550. I'm going to charge you $350. And of that, your bond will apply. All right. So bond, and then the balance you put on your payment plan. I'm going to order you do 6 days on our court work program. Work program is an alternative to jail. I'm going to call down there, and the guy that's going to schedule you today, I'm going to call and let him know. Maybe not schedule you yet, maybe put you off to the side, because he works with a lot of nonprofits. He might find a nonprofit and send you to the nonprofit to put in a new sink in their kitchen or something like that. Right? So I'm thinking, if I'm you, I'd rather do my handyman stuff than go out and pick up trash in the park somewhere. Am I right? So we're going to try to do that. I'm not going to say we're going to be able to, but we're going to try to do that. Any questions?
So that's going to be that plus with the.
Correct. I gave you a couple extra work days than I normally would, and I didn't charge you the $200 to get you up to the 550, right? So I gave you a little bit less money, more days, but we're going to try to custom use you on the work program. Does it make sense? Any questions? Go downstairs. You're going to talk to Mr. Taylor, and I'm going to call him right now and tell him what's going on.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Like I said, good luck with business this year. Tolbert? Morning, Counselor.
Staff, John Fontana, Northeast over, number 4387. Please state your name, sir. I'm Northeast over.
Good morning.
Judge, we've had the opportunity to by this matter. A lot of knowledge, personally brought, and then this, we can be able to struggle with it. Not explain all the rights.
See the person in the way over?
Yep.
Cohen. Did you discuss your rights with counsel today?
Yes, we do.
Did you understand those rights and the options those rights give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty to the charge? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on February 10, 2026? No, did you let somebody drive your vehicle and that somebody was not licensed? Are you satisfied? I'll accept the plea to that charge and dismiss the civil infraction that came along with it. What should I know about Mr. Tolbert before I sentence?
Working very hard.
Where at? Where do you work? Chipotle?
And although he lives occasionally with his mother, there are some issues of homelessness, like asking for some nursing.
Okay, all right. So how long have you been at Chipotle?
Oh, so this by April, so I was starting my work in April, so.
Okay. Fairly new. How many hours a week you getting?
Well, we're trying to do 40 hours.
Okay, all right. All right. Anything else you want me to consider?
Nothing else, Judge, and
Where'd you go to high school?
High school.
Okay, graduate? Good. So where do you lay your head? If you're not with your moms, where are you at?
Stay in my car or
Geographically, where at? Like you spend all your time in Romulus or Belleville, Southfield, where at?
Rockville so far.
All right, local. All right. So what kind of shift are you on at Chipotle?
Well, afternoon shift.
When's that start?
No, I'm sorry, morning shift. 10 or 8 sometimes to 3.
And how many days a week are you doing that?
Weekends, so sometimes Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays.
Okay, so you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off? Always?
Not always, sometimes switches.
Okay, and how often do you get your schedule? You get a schedule once a month and you know what the whole month looks like?
All that last I just started, so they probably get my schedule fixed for next week, so.
Okay, all right. So here's what I'll do with you.
Yeah, baby.
Instead of charging you money, I'm just gonna charge you work days.
I love you, Papa.
So all you gotta do
love
is you
Papa
pick the
Roo.
days, and then those days, you gotta be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Understood? You go out and work with our crew, and then that way you don't have to pay me any money. So you can use your money to get stable housing. All right? The other thing I'm gonna suggest you do is, the counter, when you go downstairs, you're gonna talk to one of two people. Vanessa's here today? So Avery will be scheduling, right? All right, so the guy you're gonna schedule a work program with today is Avery Taylor. Tell him that you have some homelessness issues. He's got real good contacts right next door in our old building with Wayne Metro. All right, so tell him you want him to hook you up with who you need to talk to that might help you get some housing settled out. Got it? All right, so let's do 4 days on the work program instead of money. Deal?
Yeah.
All right, and I want those work program days. If I give you until the end of the month, that plenty of time? Give you 2 weeks to get 4 days done. Okay, by May 1. Any questions? All right, good luck.
Judge, thank you.
You're welcome.